Hey there, welcome back. My name is JT, and today we're doing another SEO tool review video where we perform the same task and throw all these SEO tools into a playlist where you can directly compare each one doing the same task as one of the most unbiased ways you can possibly look at all these SEO platforms. First thing we like to start off with is pricing. So to start, there is a free membership that lets you search for up to 30 queries a day and get the site audit feature. So we'll probably have to sign up for a membership during this video just to get that free 30 queries. But most people are going to need more than 30 queries. So $69 a month would be the price point here for 4,000 queries per day, which is, I would say that's plenty for most people is 4,000 queries. And then maybe if you're running a bigger company that needs a lot of API access, especially high API access speed, anything like that. Backlink analysis, you might need more than 500 queries. So just looking through to see what might cause you to upgrade. Yeah, so I mean, you can pause the video at any of these points and just see what it might cost you. I would say for most people, probably $69 a month would be just fine. Let's look at the keyword that we've been using. We've been looking at HyperX Quadcast because that's the microphone that's right in front of my face right now. And so that's just what I picked at the beginning of the series, and that's what we'll just go for all eternity as we review more and more keyword tools and throw them in the playlist. So let's see what we get here. We are currently loading. Okay, let's see what data pops up here. It appears there's no data for this search term. Maybe Serpstat just really hasn't looked at this keyword before. But we can go ahead and take a look at some of these other features that they have, and you can kind of fill in the gaps with your imagination as to how this would look. They show you organic keywords that are similar, I would say. HyperX Quadcast microphone, mic, the reverse version of it, and then release date. And then here are the ads keywords that they found, which is similar to this one, but for ads, HyperX mic Quadcast. Okay, now keyword trends, they just pulled or screenshotted or embedded the Google Trends report. And it appears this is in a different language than English. So are we doing something weird with our language settings? No, it does not look like. I think they're pulling some. Is that Russian? I don't know. That might be Russian. Competitors, Reddit, Amazon, HyperX Gaming. So it actually did not put HyperX Gaming in first place, which is surprising because that's what we've been going through on all the other SEO tools, is that HyperX Gaming is in first place. Competitor graph. Okay, so in order to find out the results here, I changed this setting to with subdomain so we could see every result for hyperxgaming.com. When I did URL only, it came up with no results. So I think we just need to look at all the results on this domain, hyperxgaming.com. And this should show us what they're ranking for and all those things. So visibility, ranking, you can pause and read all that if you want, but it's just saying how much it's showing for the keywords it's showing for, if that makes any sense. Number of visitors it's estimating per month. Number of organic keywords per month. It says there's 4.8 million search engine traffic per month. What level does Magikarp evolve? Mechanical switches. One-ear headset. Without giving too much judgment out here, what level does Magikarp evolve? Maybe there's a forum on hyperxgaming.com, but the other search engines really don't point this one out as the number one keyword. They usually point out something like gaming mouses, these ones that they're actually serving ads for. Here's the keyword position distribution. So number of keywords in the top 1, top 2, top 3, and then these breakdowns back here. So here, competitors, HyperX Gaming is the site we're on. Mechanicalkeywords.com, that's listed as a main competitor, and Kingston.com. Kingston.com might look familiar from at least one of the other keyword tool reviews as a main competitor. I haven't seen mechanicalkeyboards.com as a main competitor yet, so that's a first on this site. But hopefully this video helped. I will put a link in the description to Serpstat. Right about now, a playlist is going to pop up, and that's the playlist that you'll want to click on to compare all of these SEO platforms to each other based on the same task that I'm doing for each of these sites. So hopefully you enjoy, and make sure you subscribe if you want more marketing content and especially more software review content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.